Hey peeps! Today, I'll walk you through how to publish your own Roblox game from your computer. Let's jump in without any delays. To publish your game, first open up Roblox Studio. Then, click on My Games and open up the game you want to publish. Now, click on File from here and select Publish to Roblox. This window will pop up. Enter the name you want to call your game and add a description if you want. After you're done, just click the Create button, and it'll just take a minute or two to get it all set up. Now your game will reopen. Just close it by clicking on File and then on Close Place. Now go to My Games again. Right-click on the game you just published and select Make Public. And there you have it. You just published your very own Roblox game from your computer. If the video was helpful, smash the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll hit you up real soon. Thanks for watching.